How to share a contact in WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can share a contact in WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your WhatsApp app. After you open up your WhatsApp, head over to the person that you want to share the contact to. So let's say this is the DM where I want to share my contact with. So tap on the plus icon on the bottom left. After you tap on it, there you will see an option called Contact. Tap on Contact. After you tap on it, simply select the contact that you want to share and then tap on Next on the top right. Then you can tap on the Send button to share the contact. And there we go. That is how you can share a contact in WhatsApp. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.